Where we going to walk?
Mama,
We're going to Mama and Mommy Apple. Okay. Punta daw kami ni Mama sa kay Mami niya. Kay Mami niya Apple. Mag-walking kami ni Buboy. Do you want to hold this? Mm. Yeah. So, say hi. Oh, we're here. The tree. Yeah, me and Buboy walking on the trail. I hope we cannot encounter a bear.
What?
Do you want to see a bear? No. We're walking on a trail with Buboy, my walking buddy. Buboy the boy. Yeah.
Mama,
Mama, Mommy
Mommy Apple.
Apple, where are you? Where are you? Mama, Mommy Apple. There? Maybe up here. You want to go there?
Yeah.
Doon daw kami sa taas. Where?
Over there.
You show the way.
Over there.
Where are we going?
That way.
That way? Okay, that way. We're going that way. Okay. You Buboy, hold it. Oh, yan.
Mommy Apple.
Mommy Apple. Buboy's the vlogger. I will take you video. Okay, sandali. Video. Buboy's the vlogger. Hold the camera. Wait. Oh. Buboy's the vlogger.
Yeah.
Come on, say hi. Say welcome to my vlog.
Bye. Go.
Welcome to my vlog. Oh, let mommy hold it so you will not fall. Saan na kami napunta? Naku, Buboy, we lost. This is not a trail. Oh no, I think we need to go back. Oh, that's water. We need to go back there. Come on. Oh, oh, see? Oh, we need to go back. No, maybe there's a bear there. Oh, oh, we don't know what is inside. Oh, we go back. Oh, we go back now, huh? Oh, there's no mama there. We just go back, okay? Oh, maybe there's a bear or a moose. Come on. And Buboy will go up. Maybe we can find Mommy Apple and Mama. Oh, Buboy, hold it. Be careful.
Mama, Mommy Apple.
Welcome to my vlog. Hi. Oh, let's see. Oh, slow bat. Po kami. Napagod na yung walking body ko. Nagpapakarga na. Come on, over here. Oh, there's a bear there. Wala. Did you hear that? The bird? Okay. So, pabalik na kami ng walking body ko sa aming cottage. Kasi napagod na po ang aking walking body. Ayan po. Where? Siya po nakaalam kung saan po kami daw banda. Which way? Come on. That way, I think. Napagod na po ang aking walking body.